Women have rights in everything. Example, department jobs, political posts or jobs, parents, assets, etc. A to Z, all things. Equality between men and women is must and important issue in asset sharing with brothers, sisters, education, jobs, business, works, and freedom and enjoyment legally, that is in moral way. Feminist theory is to promote the legal status of women equal to men. Without women's no world, no humans, and no population. Women have rights to live free from violence, slavery, and discrimination. Women are to be educated to own property, to vote, and to earn a fair and equal wages on par with males. So, now, in all religions, women must get united, fight for their rights, ban burqa, hijab, etc. And males having four women's. This is dangerous system. They get all diseases, STD, gonorrhea, syphilis, HIV, HBSAG, etc. So avoid that bad system, wrong system. One man needs one partner, one wife or one lover. That's all. One partner, one life partner enough. For any male, one wife enough. For any wife, one husband enough. Means for only one lady. Means one lady requires one husband. One husband requires one wife. That is enough, more than enough nowadays in Kali Yuga. And also ban beef, etc. Beef, cow's meat, camel's meat, horse's meat, etc., dogs, pigs' meat, etc. Very dangerous to health. Gas, acidity, they create, they form, you get those diseases, means gas, acidity, hyperacity, ulcer, cancers, etc., skin diseases, fatty liver, BP, sugar, A to, and high anger, etc. A to Z, many diseases and health problems. So avoid beef, etc. And save your life. And you must need freedom. Avoid restrictions on your health and life. All women must follow real science based systems and true God's love for their happy and peaceful life.